What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for not uploading within a recent time frame here. It's just been really hard to, like I said in the previous video, really hard to find good content, not shit content, not stuff I just threw out there because I had to have a video uploaded. And I forgot the scooter has been plugged in now. The scooter has been plugged in now for literally 4 days. How much you want to bet the battery is still like pretty much dead? No, well it says it isn't, but I guarantee you it is. There is all types of news before I actually get into what today's video is. The scooter still works. Pretty sure none of you give a shit about that. But the go-kart right here, which I said we would be covering, I did take I knew it was the clutch, I didn't know what was wrong with it exactly. I did take the plate off for the clutch and found out, as you guys can see in here, that clutch belt is completely wrapped around. Clutch belt's destroyed. Clutch itself back here, this little thing right here, is also completely destroyed. The rollers in the clutch have completely just imploded. There is that. More good news, the mower is running better now. It's not in the same spot it was before because, you guys guessed it, I drove it there. Motorhome still is exactly the same. I did wire up some LEDs and it looks pretty ratchet under here with the scotch tape and shit. But it does look pretty dope at night especially. They come all the way down here and go up. It lights up the whole front of this thing. So that's pretty dope. We have this central hub I put in here over here for USBs. So now there's more. None of you give a shite about that, I know. Let's get on with what today's video is actually gonna be about. What today's video is gonna be on is pretty much how to make your engine bay look cleaner, because as you guys know, if you own a somewhat modern car, well even the late 90s cars did it, there is a huge ugly plastic engine black usually plastic engine cover over your engine, and over time it gets gray and it's faded and it looks like dog shit. So you guys, I'll put a little picture right here what the Monte Carlo used to look like and what I did to it just recently. So let me pull it in here and I'll show you guys. Thanks, bird. Alright guys, let's actually get into what I was gonna show you guys, what I did. All this black right here, this black plastic, as you guys can see right here, even the fuse panel over here like I covered in the previous videos, that is all the normal black that you would find under this engine bay right here. So, what I did is I took the main cover off right here, painted it red. This black is the same black as what it used to be, like this and this. Same black, I just masked it off the ribs, because if it was all red, it would not look that cool. I'm not 100% sure how it looks yet, because there's nothing really else red on the entire car, except for the needles for the gauges. That's the only other red thing on the car, I'm pretty sure. As you can see, it used to say 5.3 liter V8 displacement on demand. It does not have that anymore, as you guys see in the previous videos. So I kept that red and just put that in black because that's all it is right now. Be cool if I could have it say cams under it, but I plan on getting a different engine cover anyway in the future because I'm just not a huge fan of the look of that engine cover. That's just me. As you guys can see in here, it's pretty clean. I did do a lot of things. Remember, we took everything in here apart pretty much. Engine, everything came apart. So I had time to clean everything. Anything that had some rust on it, I know back in here, down in there was some rust. I had to coat that. This little core support right here, as you guys can see, it ain't bad right here. Some nicks right there, but look right here. Oh my. Somebody just scratched the shit out of this thing. You guys can see the headlights Had them for half a year. I've noticed the fogginess on them has gone away. And as you guys can also see, there is no more front plate on this car, but it did leave something behind. Yeah. Those two massive dents and holes, and the one in the middle doesn't have a huge dent, but still. Massive dents. It really sucks. During winter season, when it goes in storage, I might just take the front end off it and fix that. As you guys know, the Avalanche has not been in any videos recently, and that is because the brakes completely went out on it. Thank God I wasn't on the road like my previous truck I was. On the road when it happened, I had to go up into somebody's field. Brake line blew out, fluid everywhere, and thank God it was in the shop and not on the road. But we got brake lines and everything for it, so videos to come on that. I'm gonna make videos of us, me and my dad, actually doing the lines. It's also getting new shocks. As you guys know, the transmission's gonna have to get rebuilt. So once that's done, it's gonna be a pretty reliable truck. Just to give you guys an overlook on how to make your engine bay look nicer. Again, you could end up coating multiple things. Instead of just the engine cover, you could do the air box over here, or the fuse panel, or even this right here. You could do anything, literally anything, all you want. You could take your valve covers off, paint them a certain color, I guess, if you really wanted to. It's a pain in the ass to get down there, not on this side, but that side, because of everything in the way. So I'm not gonna bother with that. You barely see him anyway. Like, look at that. You could barely see him in there. I just put some armor all over this plastic right here to make everything look nicer. And clearly it has done its job. It looks really good under here. Yeah guys, that's about all I wanted to make for today's video. Thank you all you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you in the next one.